pair of branches probabilities must add up to 1. Second, we always move along the branches to calculate probability, and when calculating probability, we always multiply as we move along the branches. Michael plays 2 games in a fanfare, board game and ball game. Probability for each game is given. Now you need to remember that probability for each game is different. So in terms of using tree diagram, it's mainly for events whose outcome are not equally likely. Unlike the sample space diagram, we do it for equally likely outcomes. Now, like I said, each pair must add up to 1. So if to win is 0.3 for board game, then to lose is the opposite. Take 0.3 from 1, that gives you 0.7. Ball game is 0.6, so to lose ball game should be 0.4. Now don't confuse yourself as to why we have 2 of this, because there's a condition. The condition here is that on this branch you've already won board game, so you can still win ball game or lose ball game. Here we repeat it because we are assuming that if you've lost board game, you can win ball game or you can lose ball game. That's why it's like this. Thus, you need to understand that these two will be the same. So we repeat that. I always label my work with letters to help me identify my lines. So WW is from this line, WL is from these 2 lines, LW is from these 2 lines, and LL is from these 2 lines. It helps me to know my answers easily. So to win both games, we have WW, that's win and win. And I know this comes from 0.3 and 0.6. Like I said before, we always multiply when moving along the probability. So that gives us 0.3 times 0.6 is 0.18. B, the chance that you lose 1 game. Here we win, we lose. We lose, we win. So 1 game, we lose. 1 game, we lose. We win all, we lose all. So we are talking about these 2. Work each separately. Win and lose is 0.3 and 0.4. Lose and win, 0.7 and 0.6. All together makes 0.54. At least win a game. When you say at least win a game, that means you win 1 game or you win all the games. At least win a game means you win only 1 game or you win all the games. So it's here we win 1 game, we win 1 game, we win all the games. We're looking for these 3 options. But the easy way of working these 3 options is to work out this simple option and take it away from 1. Remember, we said all together should add up to 1. So if you want only these 3 answers, work out lose and lose and take your answer away from 1. That's easier, and that gives us 0.72.